looking to repeat just what Jack did as he tried to give a little bit back to the older brother here as Shanahan on Shanahan once again. Jack, a perfect line through the first few sections, goes deep into that outer zone, and now Connor getting a little bit wide, and Connor goes off the circuit. Dave, the championship leader, is off the circuit.
He got lost in the smoke, Eddie. He got completely lost in the smoke. He went wide where Jack did. He got caught. The angle Jack Shanahan put in on outer zone 4, you can see the rage inside the cockpit for Connor Shanahan as he camp car and he's come out absolutely flying. Huge initiation. You are into the no answer for the initiation. Jack Shanahan is like a rocket ship through the first 2 corners, but now Rintonen starts to turn the screw and get back into this one. Where is he in the smoke? There he is. Rintonen pops out on the door of Jack Shanahan. Last minute dive as Shanahan throws it out to the wall, and what a lead run this is as Juha Rintonen now just towards the end of the run gets up on the door and gets back in the fight.
Final run in the final 4, 1 spot left in the final. Here goes Juha, here comes Shanahan roaring behind him as Juha goes really wide. Shanahan now punts down the door as Juha starts to pull the gap now. Can Shanahan find the proximity? Big angle from Juha Rintonen. Shanahan goes off the circuit. Shanahan goes wide, Juha spins.
But hold on, is that 2 incompletes at the
final? Shanahan and Bertans. Bertans tries to make his move early, but Shanahan has made a super early move and he takes a huge lead into the first corner as we go fast in front of the grandstand. Both drivers, here comes Bertans, appears through the smoke and he's right on the door of Shanahan, and Shanahan throws it onto the wall. But what can Bertans do now through the final section? Knick-knack, paddywhack, on the door goes Nicholas Bertans of Jack Shanahan as they cross.
He's going to go for that early initiation. Look at the snap to angle. Jack Shanahan is all over Bertans. They're still in this one. How is he getting away with these transitions as Jack Shanahan reels in the youngster? He is not going to be outdone today. He is more aggressive. He's got more pace. And now one more transition to go. Bertans goes to the wall. Shanahan goes to the door. We go to our knees once again in appreciation of the talent we have seen here today. That is how you finish one of the craziest events we've ever seen.
You know what, Dave? I am in absolute awe of what we have just witnessed, and